the working group has followed was one to attempt to establish a meaningful minimum subset, a subset that could be agreed upon by a representative group of tool developers as being, yes, we think we could do that, and also which is meaningful in the sense that if you stay within that, you will save yourself a lot of effort if you're trying to move between tools. This was to establish a baseline for transportability of code between HLS tools, while still leaving open the option for vendors to implement larger subsets and still be compliant. I will not suggest to you that if you write within the synthesizable subset, you will be able to take your code to any SystemC tool set and it will just go through. In fact, I'm pretty sure if you take code that goes through any one tool and that follows the subset and take it to the other tool, you'll hit some compile error that you'll need to address before you go through. That's the state of the tool compatibility at the moment. However, the synthesizable subset does prevent, if you stay within the synthesizable subset, you will avoid a large number of things that will require major re-architecture of your code. So it does, we find, establish a good, useful baseline for transportability of code between HLS tools. Another general principle, and there was a great deal of discussion early on about the extent to which advanced C++ techniques, object-oriented stuff, templates, etc., should be included in the synthesizable subset. And in general, our philosophy on that has been to include them in the synthesizable subset if they are statically knowable. In other words, if a static analysis of the code can completely understand the meaning of the semantic, then we would try to incorporate them. So templates have that characteristic, and virtual functions do not, for instance. And the reasoning behind that, taking that approach, is that if you're going to use SystemC as your design language, you are going to deal with C++ error messages, and they're often not pretty. Well, if you're going to deal with that pain, you should at least get the benefits of C++, and those are, many of them are in these more advanced kinds of constructs. So we want to give you the power of C++ if you want to use it to manage the complexity of your design, and that's why those kinds of things are incorporated in the synthesizable subset.